Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh from Trail Built back again with another featured build spotlight. This time we're going to be showing you guys Pat's 2007 Lexus GX470, guys. So make sure and smash that subscribe button so that way you guys can hold on to the ride with us. Ready to go check this thing out? Let's go. All right, guys, before we get into showing you Pat's Lexus, if you didn't already know, right now we are giving away a set of 5 Raceline wheels. It's pretty exciting. The best way to get entered is by heading on over to our website, trailbuiltoffroad.com/giveaway, and picking yourself up one of these awesome Trail Built Raceline t-shirts. Or you can also click the link in the description below. So make sure and grab one of these today, and good luck in winning a set of Raceline wheels. All right, guys, then jumping right into Pat's Lexus. You can see already that he's got it lifted. We'll go through the suspension, but it is a total of 2.5 inches of lift to fit. These are the Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws. We did a review on these just not too long ago, so you can check out that review. It's right on our YouTube channel or Facebook channel. But these are 285/70/17 Falcon Wild Peak AT3s. And then these are going to be the Method. These are the NV305s. So these are the simulated beadlock wheels in that copper kind of a brown tone. So a heck of a nice setup here. Now to fit these 285/70s, Pat did have to go with about a 2.5 inch lift to make sure that there isn't any rubbing or any fitment issues. For Pat to get this 2.5 inches of lift, what he did is, first of all, he replaced the upper control arms in here. These are the Dobson upper control arms, and then it does also have Dobson remote reservoir shocks in here, and the springs are medium rate springs up front with 2.5 inches of lift. And then moving on to the side, he does also have these rock sliders here. Are pretty cool because these are coastal off-road rock sliders that he actually built in a local shop around here himself, and then mounted it up so it's like a DIY kit. And then in the back, what he did, it was kind of cool because on these Lexuses you have a factory airbag suspension holding up the axle. What he did is he took that factory airbag suspension out, replaced it with a coil spring, and then put a Firestone airbag in the middle of that spring. That way he could still get the flex, because the factory airbags really don't flex that well. So to maintain that off-road performance, he took the factory airbags out, put the coil springs in, put the airbag in that coil spring, and then those are 2.5 inch medium rate springs in the back as well, with the Dobson shocks back here. This is also a coastal off-road rear bumper that he did make and put together. It was like a do-it-yourself kit, so that turned out really nice. And then obviously the spare tire carry-on here to hold his Wild Peak in the back, and the Method wheel. And then for the exhaust on here, it's got a really throaty exhaust. Now these Lexuses come factory with a 4.7 liter V8. Now the exhaust on here is going to be a Gibson full exhaust system, and it is loud. I mean, it's not super loud, but it is throaty and it sounds really good on here. You can definitely tell it's not factory. Same with the sticker, guys. If you can see, Trail Built, that's not a factory option either. This baby's Trail Built. Now as far as the exhaust, it is the Gibson's catback exhaust from about the midsection back, but then up front off the engine he's got the Doug Thorley, the long tube headers on there, and then also the Doug Thorley, the mid pipe that's basically a catback delete. So sounds nice. We'll show you guys in a second how it sounds. Also, guys, what else Pat did is kind of a popular conversion with these GX470s is they swap out the rotors, the calipers, and the pads from a GX460 and call it the Big Brake swap kit, basically. So a little bit better braking power with those. All right, guys, and now we're gonna go ahead and fire this thing up so you guys can hear how good it sounds. Ready? Let's go. All right, guys, before we start this thing up, to show you guys how it sounds, if you haven't already uploaded your rigs to our gallery, you gotta make sure and do so. Not only do you get to show it off, but you get to show others what tire and wheel sizes fit your particular make and model vehicle. So that way if somebody's looking for a certain size tire, they can go to our gallery, see if it fits, not only see if it fits, but see how it looks as well. All right, let's get this thing fired up. All right, guys, well, we hope you enjoyed this week's spotlight on Pat's 2007 GX470. And guys, if you are looking for the Falken Wild Peaks, Falken brand in general, Method race wheels, if you are looking for that kind of stuff, you can find a whole bunch on our website, trailbuiltoffroad.com. Also, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, thumbs up to like the video, and as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from Trailbuilt, and we'll see you guys back again shortly.